What's up, Effortless Investors, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this: Super Mario hits a question block and instead of a mushroom, out pops a dividend. So if you haven't guessed by the title, thumbnail, and that intro, today we're diving into why Nintendo stock might just be the secret level your portfolio needs in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just a nostalgic gamer, this is one stock that could be worth your extra life. So without any more rambling, let's get into it. Nintendo, ticker symbol NTDOY, might not grab headlines like tech giants and fellow console revolutionaries Microsoft and Sony, but under the surface, it's a powerhouse. Well, maybe not a powerhouse. Think of it like a TARDIS. Small on the outside, but with lots of potential on the inside. With a market cap of around $104 billion, Nintendo boasts zero debt and over $10 billion in cash reserves. That's right, zero debt. It's like they collected every rupee in Hyrule and just held on to it. And their profit margins. They're like the perfect game of Tetris. Clean, strategic, and highly efficient. In 2024 alone, operating profit was over $3 billion, thanks to smart licensing deals, strong Switch sales, and evergreen franchises. Now, if you're unsure or unfamiliar with Nintendo, Nintendo is a Japanese multinational company best known for creating some of the most iconic video game franchises in history, including Super Mario, The Legend of Zelda, Pokemon, and Donkey Kong. Founded in 1889 as a playing card company, Nintendo has since evolved into a global entertainment powerhouse, revolutionizing the gaming industry with consoles like the NES, Game Boy, Wii, and Switch. With a legacy of innovation, beloved characters, and strong brand loyalty, Nintendo is more than just a game developer. It's a cultural institution. The Nintendo Switch alone has sold over 139 million units, making it one of the best-selling consoles of all time. And with the Switch 2 set to launch as soon as June 5th, 2025, investors are buzzing like a Pikachu after a Thunderbolt. This isn't just a new console, it's a full reload on hardware, software, and digital strategy. Nintendo's already proven they can dominate a generation, and with backward compatibility and a built-in user base, the upgrade cycle could have a positive impact on the stock price. If we take a look at the stock price at the time of the original Switch console release in March 2017, and compare it to the price in March 2018, we can see that it doubled in value. Now that's not indicative of what's going to happen with the release of the Switch 2, but it bears thought at least. Now on to the real reason why I think Nintendo stock is worth buying. Nintendo's biggest strength isn't the hardware. It's the IP, its intellectual property. Mario, Zelda, Pokemon, Donkey Kong, these aren't just characters. They're brands with generational reach. And they've started expanding far beyond video games. The Super Nintendo World theme parks in Japan and the US, the billion-dollar Super Mario Bros. Movie, and more on the way. This is the Disney model playing out, and Nintendo may just be getting started. But let's not put on those rose-tinted Virtual Boys just yet. Nintendo is notoriously conservative, sometimes to a fault. They're slow to adopt new trends, just look at how long they took to embrace mobile or online gaming, and if the Switch 2 underwhelms, investors could lose out. But here's the twist. Being slow and steady has kept them profitable for over 40 years. Nintendo doesn't chase hype, they build legacies. In a market obsessed with quick wins and tech fads, Nintendo is a timeless classic. Solid fundamentals, unmatched IP, and a new hardware cycle on the horizon. That's more than just luck, it's smart design. So, is Nintendo stock your next power-up? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, hit that like button like it's a Goomba, and subscribe for future content.